This video guides you through using Autopilot and full self-driving on your Tesla Model 3. We'll cover everything from basic engagement to understanding the system's limitations and supervision requirements. Here are the SAE levels of driving automation, showing the different levels from 0 to 5. Tesla's Autopilot and FSD operate at level 2, requiring constant driver supervision. This shows the interior of a Tesla Model 3, with the dashboard and touchscreen displaying navigation and speed information. Traffic-aware cruise control helps maintain safe following distance and speed. Always remember to maintain supervision and not rely solely on the system. Remember, these are driver assistance systems that augment driving, not replace it. Autopilot is standard on the Model 3 and primarily designed for highway use. To activate it, press the Autopilot button on the steering wheel or use voice commands like Navigate on Autopilot. The system engages on highways with clear lane markings, maintaining speed and distance from other vehicles while providing steering assistance. The car uses haptic feedback vibrations to prompt intervention. If not detected, it issues warnings and may disengage. You can integrate Autopilot with Tesla's navigation system to enhance your driving experience. Use the Tesla app on your phone or the in-car touchscreen interface to set your destination. Autopilot will then plan an optimized route, guiding you along highways with smooth lane changes and speed adjustments. During navigation, Autopilot maintains safe following distances and adapts to traffic conditions. However, always remain prepared to manually handle exits, complex merges, and unexpected hazards. Human oversight is crucial for safe operation. Autopilot augments your driving, but does not replace it. Full self-driving, or FSD, builds upon Autopilot by adding advanced capabilities for city driving, automated parking, and vehicle summoning. To activate FSD, first purchase the software for $12,000 upfront or $199 per month, then install it on your vehicle. Finally, toggle FSD on through the touchscreen interface. FSD operates using end-to-end neural networks trained on extensive driving data, allowing it to predict and execute complex driving maneuvers autonomously. FSD is available in 49 U.S. states and is currently enabled on over 500,000 vehicles. Full self-driving relies on a comprehensive suite of technologies to perceive and understand the vehicle's environment in real time. At the core are 8 strategically placed cameras that capture the surroundings from multiple angles, providing comprehensive 360-degree vision. Radar sensors detect the speed and distance of objects, while ultrasonic sensors handle close-range detection for parking and obstacles. All this sensor data feeds into sophisticated AI algorithms that process the information in real time to make driving decisions. The system uses end-to-end neural networks that learn from vast amounts of driving data, continuously improving through updates and data sharing with Tesla's network. These technologies work together to provide real-time awareness, constantly monitoring factors like vehicle speed, distance to obstacles, and lane positioning. This integrated system enables full self-driving to make safe, informed decisions while adapting and improving over time. Both Autopilot and FSD are advanced driver assistance systems, but they are not fully autonomous. You must remain attentive and ready to take control at any moment, as these systems still require human supervision. These systems have important limitations. They are not designed for off-road driving, extreme weather conditions, or vehicles with manual transmissions. They may also struggle in construction zones or novel situations where unexpected hazards can occur. Extreme weather conditions like wet, snowy, or icy roads can be particularly challenging for these systems. FSD and Autopilot may not handle such conditions effectively, so always be prepared to intervene when driving in adverse weather. The dashboard shows real-time information like speed and surrounding conditions. If the system encounters any issue or reaches its limitations, you must be ready to take control within seconds. Stay alert and attentive at all times. As shown in this highway driving scene, your hands should be near the wheel but not actively gripping it unless needed. Remember, these systems enhance driving safety, but they do not replace the human driver. While FSD has shown successes in navigating complex scenarios, like merging in dense traffic and handling adaptive traffic signals, remember its vulnerabilities. One example is that in a 2025 Autopilot highway mishap in Florida, a Model 3 on Autopilot collided with a stopped fire truck during a highway shutdown because the driver was watching a movie. Always stay focused and be ready to intervene when necessary. Tesla's self-driving technology is constantly evolving through regular over-the-air software updates that improve performance without requiring visits to service centers. These updates enhance the system's capabilities in areas like urban navigation, pedestrian detection, and handling complex scenarios such as roundabouts and unprotected left turns. The current FSD version, V12.3.1, has already reduced disengagements by 25% compared to previous versions, and future updates will continue this trend towards smoother, safer driving. Looking ahead, Tesla aims for full Level 4 autonomy, where FSD can operate without human supervision, targeted for 2027 to 2030. This milestone depends on regulatory approval and extensive testing. However, even with these advances, human-AI collaboration will remain essential for safe and effective self-driving. Drivers must stay engaged and ready to intervene, ensuring the technology serves as a powerful assistant rather than a replacement for human judgment.